Unlocking secrets in English, the phrase, let in on a secret. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of a very interesting phrase, let in on a secret. Stick around as we explore how this phrase is used in everyday conversations and why it's a valuable addition to your English vocabulary arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding phrases like these can significantly enhance your conversational fluency. So, let's get started. Let in on a secret is a phrase that might seem a bit puzzling at first glance, but it's quite straightforward once you understand its components. To let someone in typically means to allow them to enter a physical space. However, when used metaphorically, as in this phrase, it means allowing someone access to information that is not widely known or is meant to be kept hidden from others. A secret is any piece of information that is meant to be kept unknown or unseen by others. So, when you're let in on a secret, someone is sharing with you information that is supposed to be confidential or not broadly disclosed. Understanding when and how to use the phrase, let in on a secret, can be quite fun. It's often used among friends, family, or close colleagues in informal settings. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. My sister let me in on a secret about her surprise party plans for our mom. I can't believe they didn't let me in on the secret before the announcement. I was the last to know. If you promise not to tell anyone, I'll let you in on a secret about the new project. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to convey the action of sharing confidential information with someone who is trusted not to disclose it further. Understanding phrases like, let in on a secret, also offers a glimpse into the cultural aspects of language. Secrets and confidentiality play significant roles in many cultures, and the way they are discussed can reveal much about social dynamics and trust. Being let in on a secret is often seen as a sign of trust and closeness between individuals. It suggests that the person sharing the secret believes in the discretion and loyalty of the person they are sharing it with. And there you have it. We've unlocked the meaning behind the phrase, let in on a secret, and explored how it's used in everyday English. This phrase is not just a way to talk about sharing confidential information, it's also a marker of trust and intimacy between people. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds value to your English learning journey. Remember, understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your conversational skills and help you navigate English-speaking environments more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to let a little English into your life.